morning, you guys. So we had a really great evening last night. Today we're gonna head over to Capri. Capri is a beautiful island right off of the coast of Amalfi. It's a really luxurious that a lot of celebrities go to. People who appreciate luxury have the means to experience it or just know how to experience it. So the weather was actually supposed to be really bad today. It was forecasted for rain. However, it did change, it looks like. It looks like it got better. So we're gonna go to Capri, take a boat ferry, explore the island, and have fun there. And I got my vacation attire on, a little hat, glasses, and looking fresh. We just arrived into central Positano. It's absolutely beautiful. So I have a quick update for you guys. Initially, we planned to go to Capri today. And so we found out that the Capri boat tour, the last departing boat was for 10 a.m. And we arrived here around 10:30. We took the scenic route to the beach. And so we really saw a lot of photo opportunities. So we took a little bit longer. However, we bought tickets to Amalfi instead, a boat, to go over there, see Amalfi Coast, all those sorts of things. We ended up bumping into our tour guide for the company that we're collaborating with while we're here, which is Bluestar. Her name is Elizabeth. We ended up seeing her because we recognized her from her pictures, and we said, "Hey, Elizabeth," and we told her that we had just gone to Amalfi. We're looking forward to our sunset private boat tour on Friday. She had mentioned something along the lines of the weather's good today, so even though we scheduled for Friday, in addition to the sunset tour, we can also take you around Amalfi and the little villages later this afternoon after we enjoy the Positano, the weather, and have some lunch. So plans changed a couple of times. I feel like a destination like this, you kind of have to be very flexible. It's not so much fixed and set in stone. Just make sure that you're really flexible when you decide to go touring on specific destinations where excursions are involved, especially. With that said, we're gonna go enjoy Positano. I'll show you guys around, show you the scenic views and the most beautiful restaurants and bars there are to see. Now we're having some wine. Grazie. You guys, we just got some pizza and Pinot Grigio. The table's a little shaky, but so delicious. Look at this pizza. It's literally perfection. I'm going to eat this. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, it's so good. It literally tastes different. I feel like in the States, they use a lot of sugar in the sauces. So good, we're gonna enjoy. Leaving Bacca di Buco, we're gonna explore Positano. I think the next time I see you might be right before our boat tour, but it's gonna be such a good experience. You guys need to check that video out. Yeah, we're gonna explore Positano and continue with our little adventure. So we just spent some time walking around Positano and exploring. There's a lot of shopping and a lot of character and different kinds of shops, independent shop owners, and souvenirs that you can buy here that are really unique to the country and this particular town. So definitely check it out, explore the cities. Not as much stairs as I thought it would be, but now we're gonna go to our boat tour of the coast, and we're gonna show you guys all of that, and I can't wait to experience that and just have the boat to ourselves and really just be on the water and just relax. So we are gonna follow Mariana to the boat right now, and we're gonna go have a private boat tour. Okay, we're going to the boat right now, and if the boat that I see is what we're getting, I'm so excited. But I've never really been on a private boat tour, and for a destination like this, it's gonna be insane because you get to experience it in a different way and really enjoy it without the hassle of dealing with other people. So if you can get a private tour, I would really recommend it because it's really, really cool to have a really good experience. And our boat has just arrived. Here we go, and we're gonna get in here. I just love that, you know, it was so easy to get onto the boat and to communicate with them, and just a really good way to see Positano and just get off the ground, and as beautiful and as much character as, you know, the streets have. It's always different to see a city on the water or from a different perspective and angle. So far it's so great. Look at this beautiful private beach here in Amalfi. It's over there, and then you can see the bridge up over here, and it's really great for photos and just to have a nice beach day. It's just absolutely stunning. Oh my god, it's so amazing. And you have more stairs. The stairs never end in Positano, but I can tell you when you get to the top, it's always worth it. Hey, so we are in the room and I took a nap. I'm really surprised that Dana didn't wake me up. We're gonna get a quick dinner. I don't want to stay out too late. We have a really early day in Capri. We're gonna take the boat this time, as you guys saw previously how I was talking about how we missed the boat because the last boat was out at 10 a.m. and we ended up missing it. So this time we're gonna get the 7 a.m. boat and it's gonna be sick. It's not supposed to rain tomorrow, so it's gonna be absolutely amazing. So I'm really excited for that. Yeah, we're really excited. I'm gonna go have a quick dinner. I'll show you guys where we're eating, what we're doing. I'm repeating an outfit, which I normally don't do, but I'm just wearing this little t-shirt, white shorts, and my boat shoes that I always wear with these kinds of outfits. Anyway, we're gonna go head out to dinner. See you soon. So we decided on a restaurant that has outdoor seating and just like a really cool. So we ordered a shrimp salad, which looks absolutely amazing, and potato croquettes. Half a bottle of wine because we can't really finish it tonight. We had a long day.
We can't drink wine. What?
I know.
We can't drink.
We usually can drink it, but yeah. So that's the spread until the rest of the food comes out. Oh my God! We just got the shrimp gnocchi, and then I got regular gnocchi. Oh, with some cheese. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy the evening and enjoy this food. This food is so good. Like, oh my God! Like it's so flavorful. It started raining a little bit, but it's okay. We just moved over above, like
we're
underneath the balcony, but oh my God,
like it's so cheesy.
so good. Yeah, this restaurant I highly recommend. The service is really great. It's like a local family. There was no wait. There was no reservations required. Unlike most of the restaurants in Positano, so that was good. It was right by our hotel, so that's also great.